Revolutionary, powerful, and eco-friendly. Meet the Doge Charger EV asterisk, the electric vehicle that's changing the game. With jaw-dropping design, insane performance, and zero emissions, this is not your average car. Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into why the Doge Charger EV might just be your next dream ride. First up, the design. The Doge Charger EV combines futuristic vibes with classic muscle car aggression. LED headlights, aerodynamic curves, and that iconic Doge badge make it stand out everywhere it goes. And inside, luxury meets tech. A massive infotainment screen, vegan leather seats, and smart climate control. Plus, it's packed with autopilot-ready features for a smooth, safe drive. Now let's talk power. This beast delivers instant torque, hitting 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. Yes, it's electric and a thrill ride. With dual motors and AWD, it handles like a dream in any condition. And range. A whopping 350 miles on a single charge. With ultra-fast charging, you can juice up 80% in just 20 minutes. Road trips. No problem. Going green has never been this fun. Zero emissions mean you're saving the planet while saving thousands on gas. Plus, tax incentives and low maintenance costs make this a smart long-term investment. Ready to join the EV revolution? The Doge Charger EV starts at just $45,000 with deliveries rolling out soon. Early reservations even get free supercharging for a year. So, would you drive the Doge Charger EV? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more futuristic car reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.